Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. I'm thankful we can help people save hundreds by customizing their car insurance with Liberty Mutual. What about you, Limu? 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 Feathers. Limu!
Shelter in place immediately. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department. At 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, authorities are responding to a sudden surge of alarming reports from parents throughout the Dallas metropolitan area. According to multiple calls made within the last hour, children, ages range from 2 to 12 years old, have been observed unexpectedly leaving their homes and roaming neighborhood streets while holding iPads and tablets running the popular Roblox game Steal a Brainrot. Witnesses state that these children appear highly emotional and unstable, many of them crying or shouting after experiencing in-game incidents such as having their rarest Brainrots stolen, missing limited-time admin abuse events, being scammed by other players, or being kicked or banned from servers. The virtual items at the center of these outbursts range from mythic rarity to original generation, OG, rarity, intensifying their reactions. More concerning, police have received several reports of these children acting aggressively toward bystanders. Some individuals, many of whom were not playing Roblox at all, have reportedly been struck or shoved aside by distressed children attempting to recover or protect their in-game items. A number of injuries have been reported, and authorities are investigating additional claims of severe harm. At this time, all residents are strongly advised not to play Roblox and to remain indoors until further notice. Parents and guardians should secure all devices capable of running the game and ensure that minors remain inside. Members of the public are further urged to avoid contact with any roaming children, as approaching them may place you at risk of injury. The situation is ongoing. Stay tuned to official channels, local media, and emergency broadcasts for additional updates and instructions.